Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're here to bring you the best tips on small furniture and decor ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content, DIY tutorials, and design tips. Stay tuned and transform your space with our expert guidance. Prune and clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Today, we're diving into the essential world of small furniture measurements. Whether you're designing a cozy nook or optimizing a compact living space, understanding precise measurements is key. Small furniture pieces like side tables, stools, and shelves can make a big impact when appropriately scaled. Proper measurements ensure functionality without clutter. Remember, planning ahead with accurate dimensions helps in choosing the right pieces, creating harmony, and maximizing your space efficiently. Let's explore how to measure small furniture to turn your space into a stylish, comfortable haven. The first step in measuring small furniture is to determine the available space in your room. Use a reliable tape measure to record the length, width, and height of the designated area. Keep in mind the clearance needed for movement and open doors or drawers. It's essential to measure from wall to wall, including any obstructions like radiators or outlets. This initial step helps you visualize what size furniture will fit comfortably without overcrowding. Accurate space assessment prevents purchasing furniture that's either too big or too small, ensuring your design remains balanced and functional. When selecting small tables such as side tables or nightstands, consider standard dimensions to guide your choice. Typically, these pieces range from 15 to 24 inches in height, with a width of 12 to 18 inches. To ensure they're proportionate to your bed or sofa, measure your existing furniture first. For example, a nightstand should be roughly level with the top of your mattress, usually about 24 inches high. Knowing these standard measurements helps you select pieces that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing, creating a cohesive look in your small space. Shelving units and small storage cabinets require precise measurement to maximize vertical space. Measure the height, width, and depth of the intended location. For shelves, consider the weight capacity and the space needed for storage items. Remember to account for space between shelves if adjustable. When choosing cabinets, ensure they don't obstruct windows or doorways. Proper measurements guarantee easy access and enhance room organization. Small furniture should complement the room's proportions, so always compare your space's measurements with the furniture specifications before making a purchase. Stools and poufs are versatile small furniture pieces that add style and functionality to any space. Their dimensions vary, but a typical stool height ranges from 16 to 18 inches, suitable for most counters or low tables. When measuring for stools, consider the height of the surface they'll accompany to ensure comfortable seating. Depth and width should allow easy movement and placement. Remember, compact stools can also serve as extra seating or footrests. Precise measurements help you select pieces that fit seamlessly into your decor while maintaining comfort and practicality. When measuring for small furniture like corner units or accent pieces, consider the angles and the room's corners. Measure the length of the walls and the specific corner space where the furniture will sit. Always double-check measurements to account for molding or uneven walls. Corner furniture can be perfect for maximizing tight spaces, but improper measurements can lead to awkward fits. Use a level to ensure placement is even. Precise measurements help you select pieces that fit snugly and enhance your room's flow, turning small spaces into functional design elements. In small spaces, every inch counts. Multi-functional furniture becomes a smart choice, such as ottomans with storage or foldable tables. When measuring these pieces, consider both their size and how they transform or store away. For foldable items, measure the unfolded and folded dimensions. Storage ottomans should be tall enough for comfort yet lighting fixtures and small furniture also require precise measurement to avoid visual clutter. Measure the height from the floor to the ceiling and the space available for lamps or small stands. For table lamps, ensure their size complements your furniture without overwhelming the space. Wall-mounted lighting can save surface area, but measure the height and clearance for switches and cords. Properly measured lighting and furniture arrangements create a balanced atmosphere, highlighting your decor while maintaining openness in small rooms. Thank you for watching and supporting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We truly appreciate your time and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to stay updated with more helpful tips, DIY ideas, and decorating inspiration. Your support means the world to us. Thanks again.